It's a really loud noise coming from the steering wheel column, it feels like. Not really sure what's happening, but okay, it's still there. I'm gonna put it in reverse, see what it does. Yeah, it's still there, and I think it's like 100 degrees outside. I don't know if that's something to do with it, but first time it's been this loud.